traditional world, production access is liability. Engineers carry permanent SSH key on their laptop. If the laptop is lost or a temporary key is never revoked, your security is compromised. Company's most sensitive data is always at risk. It's manual, it's overly broad, and it's compliance disaster waiting to happen. When changes are made in production, there is often no clear log in real-time record of who accessed the system, what commands were run. This lack of visibility makes incident harder to investigate, for compliance nearly impossible. What makes the situation more brutal is the era we are entering. We are entering in the agentic era where we are giving permanent access of our production to agents. If agent hallucinate and it can execute thousands of destructive command before you realize and press the undo button. In the era, permanent access isn't just a risk, it's an existential threat to our business. This is why we built Glasskiss on Mosia. It turns permanent access into just-in-time, scoped, and enforced access with human always in control. Mosia's AI steps analyzes each request, extract intent and assess risk, but access is never granted automatically. High risk requests require explicit human approval. Moshia's durable timers automatically revoke access after the approved window, even if system crash or engineers forget. Our zero trust proxy sits between agents or humans and the production, blocking any out of scope queries in the real time before it reaches the production. Now, let me give you a demo walkthrough of our tool. For example, I need to fix a critical bug in our production. So I need database access. So instead of just filling a boring Jira ticket, I go to my terminal and write it in natural language, and our agent automatically understand my intent. And I just write my query, and I provide how much time or duration I need it, and I click enter. The agent automatically understands it and sends a notification in the channel of our company. Let me show you the Slack channel. So here you can see it has calculated the risk of my request, and it has given a notification. So it needs one person approval. If I click on the approval, it gives the approval. Then I am back to my CLI. I don't need in copy paste any session ID or something for developer experience. I just type Glasskiss query and write a query which is about my request. So see, it automatically collects your session ID, and you can see you can write this query. But what if I write something different, which is which not should be written, like something like, yeah, this, like drop this table or something like that. So it will automatically block your query. Normally databases access is all or nothing. If you have password, you can run any query. Glasskiss works differently. We just put a zero trust SQL proxy in front of database. You can see here. Also for high risk queries, you need two-person approval. You can check it here. We also added audit logs and real-time session timers, so security doesn't have to be painful.